Assalamualaikum and good morning. Okay, let's proceed to 9.3, properties of quadrilateral and the interior and exterior angles of quadrilateral. Okay, quadrilateral ni maksudnya segi empat lah, segi empat. Okay, so the following table show the type of quadrilateral and geometric properties. Okay, the first type is rectangle. Rectangle, it have two axes of symmetry, means that this axis symmetry will divide this rectangle into two equal parts. Okay, then the opposite sides have equal length, means that this side and this side have equal length and they are parallel to each other. Parallel to each other. Same goes to the other side. Okay, this is also equal length to this side. Okay, and they are parallel to each other. Okay, all of the interior angle are 90 degree. Okay, if you look at here, and the diagonal are of equal length and are bisector of each other. Okay, so where is the diagonal? Okay, so diagonal is a line that will connect the two opposite vertices. Okay, so they have two diagonal here, and this diagonal, okay, number 1 and number 2, they have the same length, and this diagonal, it will bisect each other. Bisect mean, what does it mean by bisect? Okay, bisect tu maksudnya membahagi dua sama. Okay, it will divide the length, divide the line into two equal parts. Okay, this is what we mean by bisect. So this length, this one A to B, and we have another one C. So A to B will have the same length as B to C. Okay, same goes if we have this one is M. M to B will have the same length as B to N. Okay, so that's what it means by bisector of each other. Okay, so the second type of quadrilateral is square. Okay, square have four axes of symmetry, the dashed line here, and all sides are equal length. Okay, the opposite side are parallel to each other. All of the interior angles are 90 degree. Okay, and the diagonal of all equal length are perpendicular bisector of each other. Okay, so this is the same with rectangle. Diagonals are of equal length, but this one is quite different. Perpendicular bisector. What does it mean? Okay, bisector, it will divide, this red line will divide the purple line into two equal parts. Okay, and this, the angle, okay, it will perpendicular bisect, means that the angle of at the intersecting line here is 90 degree. Kalau kat sini dia bukan 90 degree. Okay, in a rectangle, the bisector is not 90 degree, but here is 90 degree. Alright, parallelogram, there are no axes of symmetry. Okay, so the properties is the opposite sides are parallel and equal length. Okay, this side is parallel to this side and they have equal length, and this opposite side is parallel to the opposite side and they have equal length. Okay, the opposite angle are equal. This angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this. The diagonal are bisector of each other. Okay, rhombus. Okay, rhombus have two axes of symmetry here. All the sides are equal length. Okay, the opposite sides are parallel. The opposite angle are equal. Okay, this one is equal to this and this one is equal to this. Okay, the diagonal are perpendicular bisector of each other. So you can see here, this is the diagonal and the angle between two diagonals are 90 on the center is 90 degree. Alright, so next is trapezium. Okay, trapezium have no axis of symmetry, only one pair of opposite side is parallel. Okay, this side will be parallel to this side. That's it. Okay, yang ni is not parallel. Okay, and the last type of quadrilateral is kite. Okay, one axis of symmetry, two pairs of adjacent sides are equal length. Okay, this is adjacent side. Okay, sudut, bukan sudut, sisi bersebelahan dia akan ada panjang yang sama, and this adjacent side will have equal length. Okay, one pair of opposite angles is equal. Okay, this is the equal opposite angles. One of the diagonal is perpendicular bisector of the other. Okay, it also have two diagonal. The first one is the same as axis of symmetry. Okay, let's draw. This is the first diagonal, and this one is the second diagonal. And so, if you look at here, these two diagonals, they perpendicular bisect each other. One of the diagonal is the angle bisector of angle at the vertices. And which diagonal is that? Okay, maksudnya di sini, this diagonal, if you look at here, this diagonal, okay, it will bisect this angle into two equal parts, and also this angle. So that is what we call angle bisector at the vertices. Alright. How do you determine the interior angles and exterior angles of quadrilateral? Okay, quadrilateral, we have four interior angle, A, B, C, and D. And if we sum up A, B, C, and D, the summation of all interior angle will equal to 360. This is the first one. Okay, next is, this is an interior angle, and the E is the exterior angle, okay, of this quadrilateral. So, the C and E, it lies on a straight line. So, the summation of C and E is equal to 180 degree. Alright. Okay, next we go to parallelogram. The opposite angle will be the same. Okay, means that P will be equal to R and S will be equal to Q. Okay, let's solve this problem. In each of the following diagram, P as T are straight line. Calculate the values of X and Y. Okay, so first of all, how do we calculate X? Okay, this is a straight line. So, this is exterior angle, this is interior angle. So, on a straight line, the summation of 100 degree and X is 180 degree. So, X is equal to 180 degree minus 100. Then you will get 80 degree. This is for X. And for Y, okay, Y is the one of the interior angle of a quadrilateral. So, Y plus X, which is 80 plus 52 plus 145 is 360. Okay, this is a theory that we have learned before. So, the value of Y is equal to 360 minus 80 minus 52 degree minus 145 degree. So, it's equal to 83 degree. For B, okay, so for B, so this is, if you look at here, QRSP is a parallelogram. So, parallelogram, if you have a parallelogram, this angle will be equal to the opposite angle. And this angle is equal to this. So, here, 42 is equal to X. So, X is equal to 42 degree because it is opposite angle in the parallelogram. Then for y, okay, x plus y is 180 degree because this is the summation of angle on a straight line. Okay, so we have found x. So y is equal to 180 degree minus x, which is 42 degree. And it's equal to 138 degree. Okay, next. In the diagram, PQRU is a square. Okay, so when it's square, all length have same length. Okay, same length of all sides. And QRSV is a parallelogram. Okay, PVR is a straight line. Find the value of x and y. Alright, so what can I say here? PQRU is a square. So if it's a square, this one will be 90 degree. All the interior angle is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. Okay, jadi when it is 90 degree, okay, this is the diagonal. So the diagonal will bisect this angle. Okay, so this angle, half of this angle is 45 degree. Same goes to here, 45 degree. Alright, so and can you see this is parallel to this one, this line. Okay, when it is parallel, can you see this is the alternate angle? Means that x is equal to 45 degree. Okay, okay, that is number one. Next, okay, if you look at here, this is also parallel to this. So when we have a parallel line, then we have a line between these two parallel lines. So the summation of these two, is 180. Okay, this one plus 72 will be equal to 180. So the angle of QVS plus 72 is equal to 180. Ini sudut pedalaman kan. Okay. And so the angle of QVS is equal to 180 minus 72 is equal to 108 degree. Okay, so this angle, okay, QVS is 108 degree. Okay, we want to know this angle. Okay, so 108 minus x. Okay, angle of QVR is equal to 108 minus x. X is 45 minus x, 45. And equal to 63. Okay, so this is 63 degree. Okay, so this is a straight line. This is a straight line. So we want to know y. Jadi y is equal to 180, the summation of angles on a straight line, minus 63. Equal to 117 degree. Next, how do you solve problems involving the combination of triangle and quadrilateral? Okay, in the diagram, QRTU is a parallelogram. Okay, PQRS is a straight line. Find the value of x and y. Okay, first of all, this is parallel to this. So, I can see here we have an alternate angle. Okay, so this one, this angle UQT, angle UQT is equal to 36. Okay, 36 degree. Okay, so for X, X is the angle on a straight line. Okay, so what do we, to find X is equal to 180 minus 112 and 36 degrees. Is 32 degree for X. Okay, now let's find Y. Okay, so this line is also parallel to this line. So what do we have there? This is 112, and when we have parallel, this is also 112. Okay, this is also 112. And what is this? Okay, TRS. Okay, the angle of TRS is equal to 180 minus 112. This will be 68 degree. When this is 68 degree, this is also 68 degree because this is isosceles triangle, sama kaki, so the angle at the base will be the same. So remember, the summation of inner angle of triangle is 180. So Y plus 68 degree plus 68 degree is equal to 180. Y is equal to 180 minus 68 degree minus 68 degree. So Y is 44 degree. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.